Hi, I'm Nezers and I do stuff. Let's check out what I got. This is what I call camera on rails or rail camera. It respects room's size, even if you change from vertical movement to horizontal. So, how I did it? You can see this and you probably have a slight idea, but let's go through it. So, path to D as main route for the scene, path follow to D is children and camera children of feet. Set current camera, for path follow to D, disable all these things. And let's check out this script. So export node path to get players node. Already we reference the node. Exported variable lerp speed for that camera following smoothing, and reference follower. So we get offset asking the curve, get closest offset, target global position minus global position, and we lerp followers current offset and target offset, and lerp speed times delta. That's it. And how to get working in the level. Let's start from beginning. We don't have curve, so we create new curve. Also we start, oh shoot, okay, forget it. So we start by positioning our rail camera, so we can see that camera is right on the spot. Create new curve, and then we can create new points. So start with that center point. I know that positions is there. For corners I like this angled corner. And to test our camera positions in all these places, I suggest to make editable children, so you can test its offsets. We can take our camera and see how it's going, and you see it's right on the spot where we need it. That's it, we can play it, and it works. Pew pew. So, I hope you like this video. If you want more, subscribe, give me a like on the video, and see you later. Goodbye.